Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson is going to be all about BB guns. And remember, always ask your mom and dad before ever using a BB gun. So today, we're going to be using the classic Daisy Red Ryder BB gun. Okay, before we start shooting though, let's go over a few safety tips.
Always wear eye protection just in case.
Before loading the BBs, make sure that the safety is on. So no red means that it's safe and unable to fire. And when the red is showing, that means the safety is off and it is able to fire. So while loading and holding the gun in general, always point the muzzle away from yourself and away from others.
Rule of thumb is to act as if the gun is always loaded.
So only point it in a safe direction and only put your finger on the trigger when you're ready to shoot. So now that that's all out of the way, now we can load the BBs. So load your desired amount of BBs into the designated spot here. And once you're ready to shoot, you can turn off the safety and cock the lever. Hold the gun up with your non-dominant hand and use your dominant hand to pull the trigger once you're aimed and ready. Only put your finger on the trigger when you're safe and ready to shoot. Otherwise, keep it on the side. To aim, look down the gun with your dominant eye and other eye closed. Then line up the rear sight with the front sight so that the front sight is perfectly in the middle. And the target you're aiming for should be directly above it, sitting on the front sight.
Okay, now we're ready to shoot this BB gun.
So it's already loaded and I have an appropriate can to shoot. So safety's off, cock it, now I'm ready to aim. Okay, so I'm all lined up. I can put my finger on the trigger and squeeze. Okay, it's your turn. Wow, great job. And don't forget to put the safety back on. Hey, thanks for coming with us to learn all about BB guns. Hey, did you hear about the T-Rex who sells guns?
Nope.
He's a small arms dealer. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more things like this, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.
As always, thank you and God bless you. Mr. Homeschool.